Bia Kamal ka Nuer online TV channel. Ke jan gwas me bana ler me bana jaling kama SPLM IO kene SSPDF re which ke juri vacanti. Bana mandana inshallah den winimi bana jaling. Nedin kontin let ka National Legislative Assembly nedin kontin la SPLM IO kwetken SSPDF kwetken kadwer Kariak Michigan lat ray which ka Western Bargazal State ka Juriva County agenda na bukonding. Ka jan lera me mi jira ma jidit ka Nuer online TV channel ka jan gwasan gor jeno jender jen nyaga nasi ko kien ko de lera ti de kan chamala shu gwasnetin gor kon ken o de ka wutin. Shu je paru jeno jin bi subscribe ka Nuer online TV channel ko bleri ti bi kan chamala shu gwanne tin kon na kon ken o de ka wutin. Gwada me ka lera me SPLM IO MP condemn SSPDF. Chicken SSPDF la South Sudan People Defense for chicken ga kwedwer. Gwad mi chika SPLM IO chicken chika SPLM IO maka Juriva County. Duno men kula to gwada me ne tilet kan National Legislative Assembly kaji SPLM IO ne to contain shung ka kwi Western Bargazal ka River County Canada contin cha SPLM cha SSPDF cha ga kwedwer kana national security la national security me Canadian con tin gang ka which gwadami te chanang re wichin winami kirma yadit ko de ne SSPDF ka de ni kirma yadit kan chanang rai wijin winami ko de kan checkpoint ni de kan ka wo left te ga checkpoint cha gak kume SPLM IO kana ma shago je no mo shi to ko rajana la di SPLM IO ja ne me ko la ri ga dana shala de SSPDF gwan mi shike SPLM IO shi kana maktin ka jen Western Bargazal mona ka juriva ne me mishala de SPLM IO no chire ga ma cha to kan ne tin wanka dul ka tin wanka dul hali rewika Western Bargazal ke dini SSPDF kana National Security Service kana da content sha ku dwara ramame kaman ana shalat gwasame gentleman shalat National Security kana SSPDF chi magwa Juma Zakaria ramkel ka SPLM IO mila members ka National Legislative Assembly michung ka kwi Western Bargazal State gentleman chalat ka kor gwadan paiwa ladul pai ka wang SSPDF chikan duli kana wang chikan kwa kan kanang ka River en winimi lo ne me chala do ne me riek kaman chala da ji SSPDF kan ne security chi magwa namo kweda ka dwer ka dobra na chalat kija chala do ne na SSPDF wukare wujin winimi ka Western Bargazal ala de ni kirma yadid wukare wuch ka Western Bargazal alo wukan checkpoint ni wukan ka wuch wukan woni checkpoint ni ka gwejen wo chi en rob dan dong let kana gur kano biken SPLM IO biken ko joch ka SPLM IO chete karwa te kel kanire kon la hali te kare wuch me chika ha chikan yes ka SPLM IO chikan hal bo chikan nyok mo joy ken ka an gwada mo chikan wuch kana shu chwat amani dwel kon la dwel ji hali ka kanti wukan lo a checkpoint wukan woni checkpoint ni ko te ka checkpoint ni cha yat pin SPLM IO jaro je sha ling aram dan la spokesperson ka SPLM IO sha jeling jenema lat ke SSPDF a yer malka male dan e sha tan ko ronkin dang re wal badak jen yer kan je shi hote ka checkpoint o kan woni ka shikan gor checkpoint laken rep kan weekend ko bikan SPLM IO bikan ka jojok tele checkpoint mi sha gak SPLM IO checkpoint yal ngoda te kanonka en chicken checkpoint ni jen gwadde dan sha ngo jen en go bigate yikto honka kum kirma yadi de jen checkpoint ne kan ka kon gak kan ka kon left SPLM IO checkpoint ni ko unka la kuma youth ne tactic me bo ne jo erar ke je ajan ta dan trol te ke je no na me ring mi chitok are wuchin winami la SSPDF wa chike ngane dang welkel chiken ke yen tila ala ne ti ke ji SPLM IO no chiken ngane ken ke yere wuchin winami ngane welkel to joken ngum jon yen SPLM IO ke jamon ken ngane to ala ke civilian ken ngane welkel ken ke yen no nyok bo kamana sha garpin ji parliamentarian chiken report jigano take sexual violence mishalat ano dini SSPDF to shop kdh wa shi ga menti kana kapin menti gwar kana kapin ka bom na mo mishala rai wichin winimi shi kan SSPDF division commander dun western bargazal state shi kana gwanyan wona na kennedy konti la SPLM IO maka bang ka gor kano nakan SPLM IO leaders tinte rai wichin winimi ajan dob danan wukana maka ja kane den konen kapkan ga pinka gwar tiyan shi ne dit ka kuje mo men chalat ne de konte la de ni SSPDF shi ga jake kan kalat baje kwenja ka tok english ka dobra na chanon ga ko biya ko to shop lo anyoro a member of the National Legislative Assembly from the SPLM IO representing Western Bargazal State, Juriva County, has condemned the recent burning of villages in his constituency by elements from the South Sudan People Defense Forces, SSPDF, and National Security Service, NSS. Juma Zakaria Deng accused the SSPDF and National Security of targeting areas under the control of opposition forces, which is SPLM IO, under Dr. Machaten. I want to condemn the behavior of the South Sudan People Defense Force and National Security, who are loyal to the SPLM party for burning villages in Juriva County, starting from Kubring up to Kwanya village. Is stated that they are continuing this behavior. The legislator refuted claim that the government force were acting to dismantle illegal checkpoint, which is not true. Illegal checkpoint set up by the SPLM IO. According to Juma, the decision to establish a checkpoint was made during a state security meeting that included all security organs. There are stories that the South Sudan People Defense Force went there to remove a checkpoint manned by the SPLM IO forces, which is not true. Deng explained it. That's not true because the security meeting and the state agreed to set up that checkpoint. It contends that checkpoints serve a critical security functions, preventing criminals from moving across the states, and insists that removing them is a strategy by the SPLM party to weaken the opposition. Even in developed countries like the United States, there are checkpoints between the state to enhance security, stated. They are using the issue of the checkpoint to destroy the SPLM IO in different areas of South Sudan. According to Deng, the South Sudan People Defense Force operation to dismantle checkpoints have resulted in arbitrary arrests and human rights violations. 11 young men have been arrested by security organ. 11 young men have been arrested by security organ loyal to the SPLM party under Kirma Yadid. It revealed that saying government forces are threatening to civilians in Juriva County to discourage them from supporting SPLM IO under Dr. Machaten. The parliamentarian also cited a report of sexual violence committed by the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, claiming that 5 soldiers raped a young woman in the area, and these soldiers, they are from SSPDF. He further accused the newly appointed South Sudan People Defense Force Division Commander in Western Bargazal State of issuing a threat against SPLM IO leaders. The new division commander, who replaced General Dawa Torjong, openly stated in the video that they will go after General Gabriel Bolwek or SPLM IO, even if he flees to the sky. Even if he flee to the sky, this clearly shows he has received order from Juba to eliminate SPLM SPLM IO in Juriba. Deng say, we will summon the SSPDF Chief of Staff to clarify what is happening in Western Bargazal, particularly in Juriba. We will also summon the National Security Director to explain whether their role is to protect or harm citizens. Deng also criticized the state government for allegedly being involved in the crackdown against the opposition in the state, accusing the deputy governor of orchestrating the attack. The deputy governor is behind this action and he even met with local chief, demanding that they hand over General Gabriel Bolwerk or risk facing consequences if charged. The SPLM IO lawmakers conclude by warning that the continued targeting of opposition members and civilians could escalate tension and call for immediate intervention to prevent further human rights abuses.